Welcome back. In previous video, we learned some daily verbs. Today, as I promised you, I will teach you some daily verbs. Let's start. Air conditioner, klima, balcony, balkon, entrance, giriş, exit, çıkış, luggage, bagaj, reception, resepsiyon, restaurant, restoran, lokanta, shampoo, şampuan, shower, duş, soap, sabun, swimming pool, havuz, toilet, tuvalet, toilet paper, tuvalet kağıdı, towel, havlu, airport, havalimanı, avenue, bulvar, street, cadde, sokak, road, yol, bus, otobüs, taksi, taksi, fare, ücret, ferry, vapur, map, harita, passenger, yolcu, plane, uçak, platform, peron, station, istasyon, port, liman, quay, iskele, sea bus, deniz otobüsü, sea, deniz, ship, gemi, subway, metro, ticket, bilet, train, tren, timetable, tarife, tourist, turist, Turkish bath, Türk hamamı, beer, bira, black pepper, karabiber, red pepper, kırmızı biber, bottle, şişe, bread, ekmek, breakfast, kahvaltı, butter, tereyağı, dessert, tatlı, dinner, akşam yemeği, fillet steak, bonfile, fish, balık, food, yemek, fork, çatal, pork, domuz eti, glass, bardak, ice cream, dondurma, ice, buz, knife, bıçak, lemon, limon, lunch, öğle yemeği. Please memorize these words. I will continue to teach some other words in next video. To develop our channel, please share your comments with us and don't forget to like our videos, subscribe our channel and turn your notification on. See you in next lesson.